I need to replace the O-ring for this Glacier Bay filtration. I installed this filtration when I had the tankless water heater installed, and it works so good so far. I have a valve on the top so I can isolate the water, but then again, if I turn this one off, I can bypass the filter. I'm going to do this right now. I should be able to remove this cover to replace the O-ring that's leaking. As you see, it's dripping a little bit in there. So that's what I'm going to do today. Put this wrench and spin it to the left slowly until it breaks, and then slowly turn it. I just replaced the filter, and I noticed that when I reassemble it back, it's dripping a little bit. See the O-ring right there? It's leaking by a little bit, so I purchased one at Ace Hardware, and hopefully it's the right fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old one and install this new one. It looks kind of flat. Feel it. So I just installed a new one in there. It seems like it fits perfectly. This is from Ace Hardware. Then I'm going to screw it back in. And tight should be okay. Then open this up. And this should do it. I don't see any leaks now. So that's it. That's how you replace the O-ring on this Glacier Bay water filter.